and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick unboxing video of an item I have been lusting after for such a long time, but somehow I've never pulled the trigger, but I finally got it and can't wait to show you. But in case you're new here, hello, my name is Marie and I'm so happy that you are here. I would love for you to consider subscribing down below. I make new videos every single week and I would love to have you back. But with further ado, let's get into today's video because, as I mentioned, I've been lusting after this item for such a long time and I'm so excited that I finally have it, and I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm super excited to see it too. So here is the Louisa V Aroma box, and obviously I ordered it from Louisa V Aroma, and honestly guys, Louisa V Aroma is just my favorite shop to order things from because you collect points when shopping with them, and the points you can cash in for money, so you get vouchers, and it's just such an amazing idea. So when I want something, I always check Louisa V Aroma first if they have it, and if they have it, it's my go-to shop to buy things from. So let's unbox my new baby, and here's the receipt, and here they are. So I got the Gucci tights, and honestly I did expect nicer packaging, but it doesn't really matter, does it? But here are the Gucci tights, but let's open them together. I really want to see how they look because I love wearing tights, but these are 90 euros, and that's why I was always holding back buying them, because I know that my tights I wear in especially winter always rip so easily, but hopefully these have better material. But let's look at them closer. Here you can see like the Gucci pattern, and it looks really pretty, and also on the waistband it has written Gucci on there too, which is really pretty, and honestly the material feels so thick. I'm super happy that the material feels like this. Let's put this paper out. Honestly, they feel really good quality and I don't feel like they are ripping easily, but let's try them on and I'll tell you how they feel on. So guys, I quickly put on the Gucci tights and they look so amazing. I just have my ZARA knitwear set on that I got recently, and I feel like with this set it looks just gorgeous, but the tights feel so high quality. Can you see? Like, it looks just so amazing. I wish you could feel them. The feel is just so different to other tights. They definitely won't rip as easily as normal tights, and I do feel like they are worth the investment. And also, I forgot to mention, I picked size small. I feel like it's the smallest size. At least it's the smallest size Louisa V Aroma had on their website, and normally I pick size extra small, so I feel like the small is just perfect for me. And if you're about the same size as me, I definitely suggest the small one, and I'm just so happy to have the Gucci tights now. I have been longing after them for such a long time, but I always felt like it isn't really worth the money for 90 euros to buy tights, because if they rip I would be devastated, but I'll be really careful with them and I'm sure that I will get so much wear out of them. I feel like especially now in autumn and winter, these are just so cool and really can elevate your outfits so much. I've been thinking about them for such a long time and just now pulled the trigger. So if you are interested in them too, definitely get them. I love them, and I feel like it's just a really nice way to incorporate a designer item into your wardrobe too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos on my channel. I post videos every single week. And other than that, again, I hope you enjoyed it and see you soon. Bye!